Hello everyone, you are all welcome to Alveoly E-learning. My name is MK Obin. I'm one of the instructors at Alveoly E-learning. At Alveoly E-learning, we exchange your learning problems with our simple learning solutions like the alveoli of the lungs. All you have to do is to get a phone or a laptop or a computer with an internet. Then with your pen and paper or with a notepad and a pen, you just go online, you sign up to www.alveoly.com and you are good to go, and voila, you are enjoying your lessons at Alveoly E-learning. Hello everyone, you are welcome once again to Alveoly E-learning. From our previous lesson, we looked at acidosis, and we looked at the types of acidosis. So we talked about metabolic acidosis and respiratory acidosis, and we looked at a lot of explanations under that. If you've not watched that video, kindly watch it. It's very important before you watch this section as well. Today we are going to look at alkalosis, okay? Then we also look at its types as we did in the case of acidosis. So we are saying that the pH of our blood is 7.35 to 7.45. So if the pH of blood is more than 7.45, then it is generally called what? Alkalosis. So it means our blood is becoming more what? Alkaline. And our alkaline depends on what? A chemical or a substance in our body known as what? Bicarbonate. Okay, so what happens is that if you have increased level of bicarbonate in your blood, then it means that your blood is becoming more alkaline. Then you develop what? Alkalosis. When you have a reduced level of hydrogen ions, which forms what? An acid. Okay, so low level. When you lose more of an acid, then it means that your blood acidic level as compared to the alkaline level is that your blood is becoming what? Or losing a lot of hydrogen ions. So if your blood is losing a lot of hydrogen ions, then it means that your blood becomes more alkaline, because the bicarbonate level will be what? Will be high as compared to the acid level. Then we term it as what? Alkalosis. So basically in alkalosis, it's two things. It's either your bicarbonate level is too much, or your acidic level is too low or has gone too low. Okay, and you know mostly your acidic level depends on what? Your carbon dioxide what? Level. Okay, so now let's look at the types of what? Alkalosis. So under the types of alkalosis, we have what? Respiratory alkalosis. So we were saying that in respiratory alkalosis, it means that something has affected what? The respiratory system. That has either led to more of carbon dioxide being released out as compared to how it's supposed to be. So with respiratory alkalosis, our main cause is hyperventilation. Okay, so you see in respiratory acidosis it was hypoventilation, but in respiratory alkalosis is what? Hyperventilation. Please don't forget. And hyperventilation can occur in cases where we have what? When there is what? Anxiety. So when anxiety occurs, it often leads to what? Hyperventilation. Then in the course of doing that, you develop what? Respiratory what? Alkalosis. There are other conditions or other things that can lead to what? Respiratory what? Alkalosis. Okay,